Hello, everyone. It's Friday, March 27th, and welcome to our daily Pearson Clinical Assessment video newscast. My name is Tina Eichstadt, speech-language pathologist and senior product manager in Washington State.
Hi, I'm Nancy Castilleja. I'm also a speech-language pathologist and a senior product manager, and I'm in San Antonio, Texas.
We have three news headlines to share with you today. First, how to navigate our current work at Pearson Clinical. A lot has happened in a short amount of time the last couple of weeks. We've compiled the information and organized for you where to find the resources in an email that went out yesterday. There are links included that will allow you to reach your sales representative, as well as ask additional questions to make sure that we are meeting your needs. If you did not receive this email, but would like to receive ongoing communication, please fill out our Stay in the Know form located on our telepractice page, pearsonassessments.com/telepractice.
Our next headline is about guidance on using our free Qglobal digital assets. We just finished recording a quick video with our Qglobal guru, Jarrett Lehner, who's showing us how to navigate Qglobal so that you can find the free speech and language assessment manuals and stim books there. Tomorrow, Jarrett will walk us through the BASC 3 on Qglobal for school psychologists. Look for that on our Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter feed on Monday. And remember, you can experiment and practice with these tools in your remote context right now, but do check your local, state, federal, and professional guidelines. They still apply.
And finally, a shout out to our international colleagues. Some global good news for us to share with you today. Our Pearson Clinical Assessment colleagues in Canada just released their new telepractice landing page. Congratulations to the team and to all the Canadian professionals and families who will benefit from your ongoing work. In addition, we want to take a moment to acknowledge our Pearson fellow teams outside of North America who have picked up this newscast and are adapting it however is needed for their local geographies in Australia and New Zealand, in the UK, in Europe, and across Asia. And it's a good reminder that in all of this, in fact, we're in it together.
Those are the headlines for the day. Thanks and have a great weekend.